Winter is coming, and with it, the perfect excuse to explore some of the world's most breathtaking winter wonderlands. From snow-capped mountains and frozen lakes to charming villages and the magical aurora borealis, winter paints the world in a whole new light. Let's dive in. First up, we have Banff National Park in Canada. Picture this: towering mountains draped in snow, a blanket of pristine white stretching as far as the eye can see. Frozen lakes shimmer like diamonds scattered across the landscape, and charming lodges, their windows glowing with warmth, offer refuge from the invigorating chill. Imagine yourself gliding down the slopes at Lake Louise, its turquoise waters frozen solid, surrounded by a panorama of snow-capped peaks. The sheer scale and beauty of the landscape are enough to take your breath away. And then there's the Icefields Parkway, one of the most scenic drives in the world. Imagine driving past glaciers that sparkle under the winter sun, frozen waterfalls cascading down sheer rock faces, and perhaps even catching a glimpse of the local wildlife. Banff National Park in winter is a true feast for the senses. Next up, we're heading to Reykjavik, Iceland, a city that pulsates with energy even in the depths of winter. Imagine a city where colourful houses stand out against a backdrop of snow-covered lava fields, their windows twinkling with a warm, inviting glow. Winter transforms Iceland's landscapes into a surreal, icy paradise. Think steaming geothermal pools surrounded by snowdrifts, the air thick with the scent of sulphur and a hint of magic. And then there's the Northern Lights, a celestial ballet of colour dancing across the night sky, a truly unforgettable spectacle. No trip to Iceland is complete without exploring the famous Golden Circle. Imagine standing before the Strokkur geyser as it erupts, a jet of boiling water shooting skyward against the backdrop of a frozen landscape. From the vibrant city life to the raw, untamed beauty of its landscapes, Iceland in winter is an experience that will stay with you long after you've returned home. Chapter 3: Lapland, Finland. Third on our list is Lapland, Finland, the magical home of Santa Claus. Imagine a world where snow-covered forests stretch as far as the eye can see, the air crisp and still, the silence broken only by the crunch of your footsteps in the snow. Here, you can embrace the true spirit of winter. Imagine yourself speeding through the snowy wilderness on a sled pulled by a team of huskies, their breath misting in the air, the sound of their paws padding through the snow the only sound you hear. Or perhaps you'd prefer a more leisurely pace, gliding through the forest on a reindeer sleigh, wrapped in warm blankets, the gentle jingle of bells creating a magical soundtrack to your journey. But the true magic of Lapland reveals itself at night. Imagine gazing up at the star-studded sky, the air crisp and clear, and then, with a whisper of green light, the Northern Lights begin their mesmerizing dance across the heavens. Chapter 4: Zermatt, Switzerland. Now, we're off to Switzerland, to the stunning town of Zermatt. Imagine a picture-perfect village nestled in a valley, surrounded by towering peaks, the iconic Matterhorn piercing the sky above. Zermatt is a car-free zone, which only adds to its charm. Imagine strolling down cobbled streets lined with traditional wooden chalets, the air filled with the scent of fresh bread and hot chocolate. Known for its views of the Matterhorn, Zermatt is a paradise for skiers and snowboarders of all levels. Imagine yourself carving down pristine slopes, the Matterhorn looming large in the distance, a constant reminder of the breathtaking beauty that surrounds you. Zermatt is a feast for the senses, a place where you can truly relax, unwind, and soak up the magic of the Swiss Alps. Chapter 5. Hokkaido, Japan. Last but not least, Hokkaido in Japan is a must-visit for winter lovers. Imagine a land where ancient forests meet snow-covered volcanoes, their peaks rising up into a sky that shimmers with 1,000 shades of blue. Hokkaido is famous for its powder snow, some of the best in the world, making it a paradise for skiers and snowboarders. Imagine gliding effortlessly down slopes blanketed in pristine white, the air crisp and invigorating, the scenery breathtaking. But Hokkaido offers much more than just skiing. Imagine soaking in an onsen, a traditional Japanese hot spring surrounded by snow-dusted trees, steam rising gently into the air. From its stunning natural beauty to its unique cultural experiences, Hokkaido offers a winter adventure unlike any other. From the snow-capped peaks of the Canadian Rockies to the geothermal wonders of Iceland, from the magical forests of Lapland to the Swiss Alps and the powdery slopes of Japan, we've journeyed to some of the most enchanting winter wonderlands on Earth. Thanks for joining us on this virtual winter escape. Which of these places would you love to visit? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more travel inspiration.